ngizohlala la eMandeni nani bazothi ngizohlalela nani bantu bami ayikho into engijabulela njengokubona abantwana abancane abathanda izincwadi okunye ke futhi okuzokenza ukuthi ngihlalela namhlanje ukuthi mina ngiyaqala ukuthi ngithi uma ngizokhuluma nabantu ngikhulume emva kokuthi sekukhulume izipika ezipowerful njengalezi ngane ngicela ningazelinte kodwa nami ukuze ngizizwe sengathi ngikhulekile ngicela niscream njengoba nje niscreamela abangazibeli Thank you very much for the opportunity. Kodwa-ke angizelanga lapha nini ngizelela abantwana ngicela ukuthi ngidedele nabantwana bantu abami kukhona into engizomtshela yona ebalulekile uyabona le nto niyenza la stage ningayiyeki niyangizwa bantu abami ningayiyeki le nto niyenza la stage awuthi-ke ngimtshele isimangaliso sendaba ngo-1995 ngangineminyaka ewu-23 ngaba sengozini yemoto njengoba ungibona abantu abamtshela ningalela everybody ngaba sengozini yemoto bathi udokotela mina Musa ngeke usaphinde futhi ukwazi ukuhamba ngeenyawo zakho yabuhlungu inhliziyo yakho kodwa ngase ngiyakhumbula abantu abami ukuthi ngesandla ngiyakwazi ukubhala ngesandla ngiyakwazi ukuthayipha ngesandla ngiyakwazi ukuphusha njengoba namhlanje ungibona ngiphusha ukuthi kanje awushayi ihlombe ngoba ngiyaphusha what I'm trying to tell you is ngisho abantu sebethu kubazekile uma ukwazi ukubhala futhi ukwazi ukukhuluma into oyibhalayo awukhubazekanga ukhuthazekile siyezwana lapho kodwa ningisiza nento yona ningaliyeki ithalente lokubhala ningaliyeki futhi ithalente lokukhuluma ngoba ayikho into emhlabeni engakuphuca lelo talente siyezwana abantu abami kusukela ngo-1995 odokotela bengitshela mina ukuthi angikwazi ukuhamba angikakaze mina nginganawo umsebenzi masipala sengikhuluma nani emva kwami ngicela senzile yona lezi ngane zisakwenza ukuphuma ngaphakathi siyavumelana lapho abantwana bethu basafuna inkondlo bakhulume ngaleya ndlela ngoba kusaphuma ngaphakathi asibelekele abantwana ukuthi uma kusaphuma ngaphakathi sikwenze bakubone ukuthi kungabasebenzela ngoba uma abantwana sebeyenza lento akade beyenza lapha ngaphambili sebeyenza ngoba bafuna ukufaka imali ephaketheni noma sebefuna ukondla imindeni yabo then it becomes a bit tougher. We need to allow these children to express themselves when they are still doing it from the heart. But when they start doing it from a need, then it becomes an expectation. Laba bantwana bethu bebona khona sengathi sibenzela phansi noma abantwana bethu we are not meeting them halfway. Uma abantwana nje besakwazi ukuthi bame lapha yana benze lento abayenzayo, they should be allowed to do that. And umasipala should always make it a point ukuthi lezi zinto enizishoyo enizibhalile enizihayayo bantu abami zibhalwe phansi ukuze ziphume njengey'ncwadi nibone ngempela ukuthi intshisekelo yangaphakathi iyakwazi ukuthi nomphakathi uyihloniphe. I'm talking to your municipality. Siyezwana? Shayini ihlombe ngathi ngiphendule. Ithuba eninginikeze lona lokuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngifike la namhlanje ukukhuluma nabantwana bethu I take very seriously. And lokhu ngikusho kundaba ezithathu. wendaba, ngikusho ku-municipality manager wendaba, ngikusho kubantu bama-library services endaba. Umsebenzi wami akukhona ukukhuluma nabantwana bethu. Umsebenzi wami is to inspire your children to understand ukuthi umuntu owenza into abafuna ukuyenza angakwazi ukuthi asondele kubona abanikeze lowo msebenzi uzuphelele. Ngineyimali eziwu-7 engizoziphala abantwana. Ngicela ningisize ngento yodwa. Ngelinye ilanga uma abantwana bemalaphaya behaye inkondlo zabo, bizani ababhali ukuthi bazopha abantwana bethu izincwadi. Ngoba abantwana bethu beke banikezwa iy'ncwadi umbhali. These children are very young, but I can promise you one thing. This book is going to be in their shelves forevermore. You will never know ukuthi labantwana basebeleminyaka ewu-21 noma mhlawumbe labantwana sebeleminyaka ewu-18 or ewu-10 bayothi uma bereferisha le ncwadi bakhumbuleni ngento eyenzeka lapha namhlanje. Umsebenzi wami lowo. Baxoxe iy'nkondlo zabo thina singenawo umqondo ukuthi lezo y'nkondlo sithatha kanjani sizifake sizenze iy'ncwadi labantwana abangakwazi ukuthi bayibone iy'ncwadi zabo sezisema-library. Siyezwana lapho. Ngicela nonke nishayele labantwana iy'ncwadi ngoba bonke bazothola incwadi ikizani bo. The true meanings of our cycling stages.
Though his entire world was shattered in a devastating accident in 1995, the then 23-year-old